No respite from heavy rains for Hyderabad as the Met Department has sounded a yellow alert today and an orange alert for tomorrow. This comes after heavy rains wreaked havoc in Hyderabad once again on Saturday, leaving several parts of the city flooded with rainwater. In the latest rain-related incidents, at least 2 people have lost their lives, taking the death toll to 50 in the state. A 50-year-old man was electrocuted in Old Malapet area, while a 5-year-old died due to wall collapse in RK Pet of Hyderabad. Torrential rains there, which lashed the city on Saturday, inundated several parts of Hyderabad, leading to severe traffic snarls. In Babanagar, Balapur Lake embankment collapsed, resulting in heavy water flow into areas like Hafiz Nagar, Omar and Nabil Colony, and also other adjoining areas. The famous Golconda Fort also bore the brunt of heavy rains. A wall of the fort collapsed. In fact, Hyderabad Police Commissioner has now appealed for people to stay home and stay safe.
We are at Mosaram area of Hyderabad, and this Nizam era area is one of the busy marketplace, and you can see behind me is Musi River. It has completely engulfed this busy road. Now the traffic has been diverted, and this rise in water level reported just after yesterday night. In fact, yesterday evening's rain, again city received almost 10 to 17 centimeter of rain, and that has created again inundation in several low-lying areas, particularly areas and localities which are located in low-lying areas beside Musi River. They are worst affected of areas under Chandrayan Gutta Assembly constituency, which is the constituency of MIM MLA Akbaruddin Owaisi. It is worst affected. A lake breach was reported also. Now, Cyberabad Police Commissioner has visited those areas. The breach has been now, it has been completely closed. So yes, administration is putting its effort to ensure speedy relief to locals and residents, but now more rainfall warning is a big worry for administration, for locals also. With camera person Damodar, Ashish in Hyderabad for India Today. We are at Babanagar area, and yesterday evening rain completely submerged this entire lane, and you can see now debris over this car. So water level was up to this height, almost 6 feet height. Water level completely inundated this residential area. Now sun is out, water has receded, relief and rescue efforts are on, cleanings are on. So this is the situation of this entire stretch. It has several houses, and all these houses were inundated yesterday. Yesterday's few hour lanes completely submerged these vehicles, completely damaged these parked auto. In fact, one of the auto was parked some 1 kilometer away from this particular lane, and it came floating, washing up to here, and now only debris remains here. So this is the situation here in this Babanagar area of Chandrayan Gutta, and now authorities has started relief and rescue effort. Local NGOs officials are providing them clean water, drinking water, food, and now cleaning is the big concern, because flood also brings unhygienic dirty water, and that's why the whole effort is now to provide fresh drinking water, clean drinking water, food and other necessary helps. With camera person Damodar, Ashish in Hyderabad for India Today.
Amid the mayhem caused by torrential rains in Hyderabad, Congress slammed Telangana Chief Minister KCR for not handling the floods properly and accused him of being clueless about ground realities. Let's take a listen.
Mr. Kalvakutla Chandrasekhar Rao is a curse to people of Telangana. Nowhere in the country, I guess, if this kind of floods that have occurred in the parts of Telangana, and particularly in the greater Hyderabad, when people are suffering and lakhs of acres of land is inundated and entire greater Hyderabad is inundated underwater, this man sits in a his fort called Pragati Bhavan and does not come out and interact with the people, understand the problems of the people. What a pathetic chief minister is he? We are demanding that the chief minister should not hide in his so-called fort called Pragati Bhavan, but he should come out and then interact with the people, visit all the flood-affected areas, at least conduct an area.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.